Good morning, everybody. So we have our new drain plug in the pan. The gasket's on. I'm just using the weight of the pan to have it stay stuck on. So we put a little bit of gasket sealer on to hold it in place. So once that's dry, because it's actually pretty cool today, I think we're at like maybe 55 degrees. That's got to be a little more dry before I can start tinkering with it and put it back into place on the car. So we have our new distributor, and it's the go-to for these cars. Absolutely amazing people. So now we're going to follow the instructions to the letter of the word and put this one in, get the old one out since the old one's completely fried. And we'll make this car run like a dream. So, yeah. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's going to be a short video today because we're trying to stay working. It's 8:15 in the morning, I think. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, have an amazing new year. Good morning again, everybody. So we've got our gasket dried. So we're safe. This is going to be a really short one because I'm laying down on my back to get this thing back in. But we'll get everything taken care of. All the bolts have been cleaned and scrubbed, so we're not getting grease on the new looking pan. And we'll start getting everything back together. We'll have the distributor done shortly and get to the valve cover gasket, get that done and taken care of. So we've got a little bit of a busy day ahead of us. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, have an amazing new year and hope everybody's safe and warm. Good afternoon, everybody. So we are done with the oil pan, and my trick to get the oil pan off without lifting the engine worked perfect. I just had to change tactics to get the screws in the back so that we could have the pan completely done and sealed. We still got to pull the oil filter, get that taken care of, and put the new oil filter on and get it filled with oil. So part of my job is done for that. So good, we're on making progress. Ugh. There's the valve cover gasket, the old one. Ugh. Yes, I'm getting old. So I took the valve cover off, scrubbed it clean. I would love to polish it up and make it look perfect, but that's not what this car had back in the 70s. So I'm not doing that. If it was my car, I'd polish it up. I'd be polishing everything, but that's my opinion and for something I would do for me. This client likes this car exactly the way it is, which is still absolutely, absolutely beautiful. I love it, absolutely love it. With the two-tone, you can't get better than this in my opinion. So we're starting to get everything back together. Here's the old distributor, by the way. And as you can tell, that's paste. That oil is just absolute trash. So, yeah, I'm glad that we've got the new one going in. It's electronic and we can set the timing, the dwell, all of that to make sure that this thing runs absolutely perfect. Yes, I need things where there are. That's why there's rags, so I don't scratch anybody's paint, ever. I mean, everything gets a rag or a case so that it doesn't scratch anything. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, I know it's not a super long video, but we're trying to stay as busy as we can. New Year's is only a few hours away, guys. So have fun, be safe, and Uber. Uber everywhere. It's so worth it if you're going to go out. But, okay, guys, we'll see you guys next year.